Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuous coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. Welcome back, and this is a wonderful opportunity to see how markets set up for their moves, really, because what we're seeing in the market is, well, provided it plays out, because nothing is guaranteed. Our analysis cannot ever be 100% accurate, but we like to look at things from a wide variety of perspectives. We like to look at different markets as well, and looking at the legacy markets right now, that would be your indexes, your large cap stocks, like for example the major US tech stocks, the S&P 500, the FTSE, and so on. So what we're seeing really is a setup which I have to say it looks bearish. Now I know it doesn't really make that much sense when you're looking at the market rip higher. The market right now looks anything other than bullish, okay, to the untrained eye. But what we're seeing in terms of our analysis, and we use our own proprietary energy analysis amongst other techniques like Elliott wave, Wyckoff, GAN, and so on. So the price action, the way that the market is setting up right now, it looks like it's setting up for a bear move, a bear market. So I'm just going to briefly touch upon how we see the market playing out. If you want more information, obviously I do provide that on my Patreon channel, and it's very affordable, and you know, and it's very I like to offer a lot of value there. So you can ask me questions as well and so on, but the market really is, it looks like it's setting up for a very strong move. Now it's not, we're not expecting this move to just occur in crypto. We are expecting it to occur in these other markets that I mentioned earlier. So I'm just going to briefly guide you through how we see the market playing out. So I mentioned in the previous video that whales were not allowed the opportunity to enter the market after this breakout here. It broke out above that level, what was it, 14,000, then it broke through the all-time high. And obviously when you are a institution, you want to enter at a good value point, really, where the risk and reward is in your favor. So you can't be seen to be doing sort of I hope for the best type investments. So market breaks out here, it does not retest this area. The 20k area was not tested, and talking of which, the 14k area was not tested either. So we had a breakout. Whales are looking for an opportunity to enter. We saw some brief profit taking here for a couple of weeks, and that was just above 30k, and then the market just ran up again all the way to roughly 63k, okay, 64k even. Right, so then we had some major profit taking occur, and some consolidation. We were expecting limited consolidation here, and then for the market to continue downwards, but what we've seen instead is a move higher. Now there are multiple reasons for why this might occur. Obviously there will be waiting orders at this level here, Okay, so this move, which began at this level here, roughly around, what was it, 58, 59k, there will be orders waiting to fulfill over here. Obviously whales want to sell at the highest prices. Okay, they don't want to sell down there really. They want to sell at higher prices. So here's your return move, your pullback, your minor correction, and this can actually continue higher. There would be reasons for why it might continue higher, but these guys, in my opinion, have not gone away. We've not seen any evidence that they've gone away, and I would expect that they are quietly selling into this pullback. Okay, so in terms of Elliott wave analysis, this would be your impulse moving downwards, this would be your pullback, okay, your wave 2, and then what follows is usually a wave 3. It could obviously be a zigzag as well, so your A wave, B wave, and a move down, basically. Okay, so this looks like quite a nice setup really for the bears. I know that instinctively in your gut, if you're a believer in the crypto market, if you want the crypto market to do well, then really you might be wishing and hoping that the market just continues higher, but that's not the way that markets work really. The markets work in favor of whales, in terms of it works in favor of billionaires, the market movers and shakers. They will want to enter in a value area. Okay, they will not want to pay top dollar where the risk and reward is not in their favor. So that's what we're seeing really right now. We expect this market to head downwards. Okay, so I really should put this arrow in red. Okay, I've always emphasized to my patrons, to my YouTube subscribers, and anyone viewing this video for the first time even, that you should be taking profits at regular intervals. So all of this area was an opportunity to take profits. All of this area was an opportunity to take profits. You've had a somewhat surprising, but not too surprising really, return move here. This is an opportunity, in my humble opinion, for you to take profits. Okay, we don't like the look of this setup at all. Not in terms of Bitcoin, not in terms of the wider crypto market, not in terms of the legacy markets either. This looks to be a very painful setup for anyone involved in it. Now, we could be wrong. Obviously nothing on this channel is advice, and we would like the market to continue higher, and we wish everyone involved in all these markets well, but the markets are very adept at handing out painful lessons for people who want the markets to continue to move higher and higher and higher, without understanding that the markets are run by and work in favor of the big boys.